Welcome to Manqoba Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button and make sure that you help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Hey, tada. Hi, this is Manqoba Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 3. Sekhukhune North, my brother, how's it?
Sharp.
I can see you are a regular in this channel.
Today I'm happy.
Yeah. Very
I want today.
Yeah.
Starting 11.
And you're complaining last week, yeah?
Yeah, about the play decision making. Mara.
Yeah.
Actually, I want Manqoba went 5 steps ahead of Sekhukhune.
I think he listened to your comments last week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But to see Ubas Mkulisi, they really helped us throughout the game. So I think
they
we played
defended very well, especially Batusi.
And Manqoba and Grand Kekana.
And also Muda on the right, yeah.
On the right. The game was solid. Makhala couldn't see anything there.
Exactly, yeah.
We played very good. But as Sekhukhune, I told you, they can't mark, they can't press, so they were slow. We had to be fast and score goals.
Yeah, and you did so.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So, and then who impressed you the most tonight? Your man of the match tonight?
Manqoba and Kanagmang Ubas.
Oh, Ubas, ne?
Yeah,
they defended
it's very solid, but because of yellow card, they must substitute him to be level with the opponents.
Yeah.
I'm very happy with the coach Manqoba. I would like to thank him, also the technical staff.
Beautiful. So you're very happy tonight, eh?
I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Clean sheet, 3 points.
3 points.
Number 2.
And 3 goals also.
Yeah, 3 goals.
Number
so
2.
Tomorrow Pirates.
You have to win tomorrow for Pirates not to win, eh?
Yeah, Stellenbosch is a very good side.
Yeah.
So they have to draw or win. It's a must for us to be at the top.
Beautiful. No, congratulations for tonight, eh?
Yeah, Wakaduga.
Hey, tada, Wakaduga. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you subscribe and help the channel to reach 10,000 subscribers. Hey, tada.